Ruger new Vaquero 44 Magnum. I had this for about 10 months. First, when I got the recorded video, I noticed right after the video, and noticed the front side was bent this way. So that means the barrel, when they installed it, is over tighten it, over torque it. So I sent it back, and then came back is perfectly straight. And then they changed the paw. If you have new Vaquero, all the new Vaquero is when you open the gate, the paws retract, so it can spin freely. But there's one little index screw doing the stop the reverse, so it's able to lined up with the rejector rod. But if you take the little knot away, and then you'll spin both ways, reverse. But and I think first one I got it was doing this click, 2 clicks. That means the paw is not retracting. That means it had the regular paw. But now it's the paw, regular paw is at the end is straight, but reverse paw is at the end. There's a little knob, and as soon as this hits that move the push the knot, and then paws go in. And then what happened was when it came back, it shoot about 5 inch low. So I filed 1 notch, 3 inches low, and then I took 2 inch one. So I filed about 3 notches away, because all my handgun shoots 6 o'clock hold, and I'm not gonna adjust my sight picture for just it's one gun. So I filed it, so it's 3 notches, and then right now it should perfectly 6 o'clock hold. And then the grips, it hurts when you use this one, so I changed to smooth one from Badger, but it broke off, because if you over tighten it break off. So I changed it to got a wood one, and then the antler fancy one too looks nice, but both of them is very similar. When you shoot two-handed, it slips and then comfortable in two-handed grip, but one-handed grip is slips too much, so hard to shoot with the one hand. So I changed it back this checkered original grip. Then I was able to shoot one-handed. The two-handed shoot, I grip this way, and hurts a little bit at first, about 10 minutes, like the first 12 round. But after that, it's your pain tolerance is take over, and then it doesn't hurt. Well, and then it's secure in your hand. Really, it doesn't move at all. So it's pretty good. I'm able to shot 25 yards, and if I really concentrate, I can put 20 at 25 yards. I can put all 6 in. With the 44, with this short barrel, it's very hard with any other gun, but pretty good. I really happy with this purchase. Thanks for watching my video.